Hello and welcome to Hong Kong. So these are my first impressions of this beautiful city. I have been to Hong Kong before, but on this channel, I've never been here. So let me just show you how it is. So currently we're at beautiful Victoria Harbour. If you don't know Victoria Harbour, it's one of the most beautiful places you must go to Hong Kong. Honestly, I've been to Hong Kong many times, and Victoria Harbour is where it's at. And let me just show you this area a little bit too. So on our left, we have the Avenue of Stars, which is pretty famous. And then if we go to our right, we have ferries that will take you from this area of Hong Kong, which is called Kowloon, to Hong Kong Island. So Hong Kong is actually divided with a few islands, but these are the two main islands, is Kowloon, where we're at right now, and then also Hong Kong Island right there. But let me just show you around today, and let me give you a cool first impressions of Hong Kong, because I just arrived here and man, I love the city. Let me just show you a little bit of the harbor on the right side, and then I'll go to the left side because that's where we want to go, and I'll show you more of the lively cityscape. As you can see, there's a lot of people over here, but believe it or not, a lot of the people that come here are actually from mainland China. So, you know, Hong Kong is a little bit different than mainland China. If you don't know this, actually Hong Kong has its own immigration system compared to mainland China. In China, they have 3 immigration systems. One is in Hong Kong, one is in Macau, and one is in mainland China. So depending where you're at or where you're from, maybe you don't need to get a visa to China, but yeah, Hong Kong is a little bit different than mainland China. So right now I didn't need to get a visa to Hong Kong, but when I go to mainland China, I do need to get a visa, or I have a transit visa. I'll talk to you about it later in like another video, but yeah, it's a little bit complicated, but you can ask the questions down below. But Hong Kong itself is so beautiful, and it has its own personality. Look at this. Really nice. I love it so much. Bruce Lee. Hey, what's up, bro? How's it going?
Yeah, that's
where are you from?
Hi. Beijing.
Beijing. 你们是北京人啊？太好了。Walker. You walk from Beijing to here?
No. So far.
Yeah, I know.
Goodbye.
我知道。Okay, goodbye.
Have fun.
加油，每天加油，好吧？加油。Wow, look at this. This is a famous boat here in Hong Kong if you want to take it. It's called a Junkard boat. It's like an old school Hong Kong boat. Take you around the harbor. Very slow, but it's very authentic to Hong Kong. Well, this is the start of the Avenue of Stars, right over here. So if you see this figure over here, you reach the Avenue of Stars. So you're probably wondering, like, what is the Avenue of Stars? So Avenue of Stars is where a bunch of celebrities here in Hong Kong took of course they took pictures, but also they showed their handprints. But right now we're in for a treat. We're trying to look for Bruce Lee and Jackie Chan, because honestly, if you're, you know, a person who loves movies, Bruce Lee and Jackie Chan are the most like 2 popular stars of Hong Kong, which they do have a statue of Bruce Lee, which I'll show you in a second. But we're gonna first find the handprint of Jackie Chan. But just along this whole area, you're gonna find handprints of different Hong Kong stars. Let me know if you're from Hong Kong, which is your favorite Hong Kong star. For me, I'm just gonna have to be like, how do I say, organic? Just Bruce Lee and Jackie Chan is where it's at. Don't get me wrong, there's a lot of cool Hong Kong actors too. The one who played Bruce Lee's Shifu, I forgot his name too, Danny Chang. But yeah, he's also cool too. There's a lot of people. Honestly, it's just nice to walk around this whole area. Well, before we go to Jackie Chan, look at this. This is Jet Li, very famous here in Hong Kong. Well, actually famous around the world. Jet Li is a very top actor. Look at this. Jet Li, 很好的人. So over here they do have a Bruce Lee picture, but they don't have his handprint, so it's kind of interesting. Because a lot of other Hong Kong actors, they will have their handprint. But so they do have Bruce Lee, but yeah, we have to find Jackie Chan. So right now I'm about to see Jackie Chan's handprint, but this guy want to take a picture with me, so let's take a picture. Okay.
Okay, ma. Thank you.
Hello.
Where are you
Hello.
from?
I'm from America. Where are you from?
I'm from China.
Where in China are you from?
Huh?
Where in China are you from?
Jiangxi.
Jiangxi.
Jiangxi province.
What's the capital city of Jiangxi?
Nanchang.
Nanshan. Okay. Alright. 我很高兴认识你。Nice to meet you. 很高兴认识 Jackie Chan, Mr. Jackie Chan.
The other. Oh, sorry.
All the four. No, this one.
Is there. Oh, this one.
他叫什么名字？Gong Chan. Changlong. Li Xiaolong there. Changlong here.
Here, yes.
Foreigner movie. We always love Jackie Chan. Number one in China. Really, very good. All right, thank you. All right, 来见。Check this out. So we were at the famous Bruce Lee statue of Hong Kong. If you do come to Hong Kong, you take a picture in front of the statue, which a lot of people are. Everyone does the pose. But guys, I'm not gonna like stay here for a long time trying to take a pose in front of the statue because I took actually a photo before a long time ago over here. But yeah, it's honestly pretty cool because we have Bruce Lee and then we have a backdrop of Hong Kong. They have much respect in Hong Kong for Bruce Lee, also for Jackie Chan, and for all the celebrities here in Hong Kong, honestly. They made a big impact on Hong Kong for a while, so they're like, why not just have a statue of this guy, or why not just have Jackie Chan's handprint? But there are many other celebrities as well that made a big impact on Hong Kong. That being said, let's go on the streets of Hong Kong and see how it is. We're not even on the streets and look how busy it is. Crazy, right? Now we're at Nathan Road. So, you know Nathan Road? In Hong Kong, it's one of the most famous roads here. This road you can literally follow all around the Kowloon side of Hong Kong. Very famous. And yeah, I just want to show you the city vibes of Hong Kong. So literally, just in case if you never came to Hong Kong, we're just right over there where you can tell the Victoria Harbour. A very beautiful place. It's an iconic place. So now I just want to show you around TST area of Hong Kong, which is Tsim and let's go and check it out. But you have to let me know if you've ever been here, or what do you think of the area thus far? It's crazy. It is one of the most crowded areas in Hong Kong, or even in the world. Even like when you want to go across the street, there's some parts of the street and it gets very crowded, you can't even cross. Now we're just waiting for cars and stuff, but let's see. So I'm going to give you an example of how, okay, there we go, across. And keep in mind, guys, that they're still on the British side of Hong Kong, so people drive on the left, because mainland China, they actually drive on the right. So it's something to keep in mind. Even you see they've double-decker buses. It really reminds, it's weird. Hong Kong reminds me, honestly, it's like half China, half England. It's like if England and China had a baby, this is Hong Kong. That's what it reminds me of. These are the downtown vibes. I love it. Anytime I do go up to Hong Kong, I come to this area because it's very lively, very nice. And then I do want to show you a building just ahead, so let's go to the building and we'll see it real quick. Here is Chungking Mansions. Chungking Mansion is a very popular building in Hong Kong, also very famous for many things. But let's go inside and see how it is. And I'll talk about Chungking Mansion once we go inside. And you see that a lot of people are just inside the building. Here. Let me show you. So just as you start walking into Chungking Mansion, you're going to find a lot of money exchange places, which in Hong Kong, they will give you the best exchange rate. Like, look at this, $1 USD, 7.77. Literally, if you go to the exchange rate online, it's $1 USD is 7.78. The reason why they're giving you best exchange rate is because a lot of business comes in this building, so a lot of people want to, you know, make good money. A lot of money comes in and out of this building. Oh, I'll say that. you can imagine it for yourself, but yeah, you can see a lot of money exchanges over here. And then I'm just going to go around this building a little bit, because this building has everything you want. It has hotels, it has money exchanges, it has laundry, it has food, it has everything you want is inside of this building. Look at this, they have like a lot of convenience shops over here in this building. Very nice. The exchange rates over here are very good, very nice, like 7.76. Other ones were 7.77, but you have an idea. They have barber shops. Literally, it's a city inside of a city. Say, welcome to Chungking Mansion. There's one guy actually recorded a whole video about here. It's called Arab. He did a little bit in-depth thing. Because you can even get something special if you really want to, but just really cool area just to record and show you guys how it is. Look at this. We have so many different types of like Indian. Mostly it's like Indian and Pakistani food, but it's all about the same. But yeah, I just love it just coming in here. Wow, look at this. We even have like cell phone accessories. Literally, if you want to find the cheapest hotels and the best food, or even halal food in Hong Kong, I want to say the best food in Hong Kong. I want to say like one of the cheapest foods in Hong Kong. Come over here. There's so many hotels in here. Hotel Venice, Hotel Skyline, Hostel. It's crazy how many hotels and stuff are over here. A lot of things are happening in this business, and it's a massive building.
2192.
You can even do laundry over here too, which I think we're about to approach the laundry place, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so over here is a laundry place. Let me just show you real quick too. So if you want to do your laundry over here, to wash is 25 Hong Kong dollars, so about $1 USD equals 7.8. So let's say 8, 26, 24, about $4 to wash, and then about to dry. Let me see, electric high temper dryer, and they're $4. 8, 16, 32. Yeah, I'd say in total it's like $8. You can convert it. Yeah, really cool. All right, I'm here. Now, walking away from Chungking Mansion, it's a very interesting building. Definitely have to come to it when you come to Hong Kong. But this is also what I'll show you here over here too, is there's a gigantic mosque over here. I believe this is the largest mosque in Hong Kong, which is called Tsui Masjid. And just look at it, very nice. It's in the middle of the whole area. It's actually right next to the metro station, next to exit A2, which behind it, there is a gigantic park, which is called Kowloon Park, which I do want to show you in this video. But first, I'm very hungry, and I want to show you my special spots to get some food. Probably wondering what kind of food does Solo like? What food do you think I like? Do I like macaroni? Do I like noodles? Do I like rice? Well, if you know me, you know what country I'm from. I'm from America, by the way. What do you think we're gonna go for? I'm in front of Paisano Pizzeria. This is where you're gonna get the best pizza in Hong Kong. I don't care what you say, this is what I love. But yeah, let me show you around. They have pepperoni pizza, they have bacon cheese pizza, barbecue chicken pizza, which I'm probably gonna get over there. So they have New York style pizza here in Hong Kong, which is so nice. Ooh, look at this, need the New Yorker. The Manhattan special, truffle pizza, what looks like a little bit too much of the truffle pizza. But man, cheese pizza. All right, let's go inside. I'm gonna order real quick, and I'll see you once I get the pizza. Wow, the pizza has arrived. This is the authentic Hong Kong pizza, New York style. I'm telling you guys, really one of a kind of a pizza. And look at this. So I did order crispy, which I hope it is, but yeah, let's just dig in. Let's go with the ranch sauce. See? Oh my god. So delicious. The pizza, the barbecue sauce, the onions, the chicken. And then on top, I put some like Tabasco sauce, some black pepper. Maybe it's not authentic, but also, yeah, Parmesan cheese, oregano too. You can ask them for oregano. They have a lot of sides just over here. Oh, Let's get another bite. Because, man, I'm telling you, this is my favorite pizza in Hong Kong. So good. Keep in mind, this is all for 40 Hong Kong dollars, which in USD, it's around $5 USD. And the size of one of these New York slices is like 2.5 slices. So look at this. So good. Come to Hong Kong, definitely give this. Good evening from Kowloon Park. As you can see, I'm walking in this beautiful little area, which has a bunch of flowers. See for yourself. But this is a massive park here in Hong Kong, and it's actually, I would say this is my favorite park here in Hong Kong. Why? It's not just they have beautiful flowers just as these, but it's in the middle of the city, so it's a big green space in the middle of the city. You see a lot of trees and just a lot of greenery, which is nice. And then they also do have a lot of birds in this park too. They have a lot of flamingos, which I will walk next to, but it's nighttime right now, so they may have actually shut down the area. But they also do have like a little like bird, I want to say atrium, that has a lot of birds from like over the world, like parakeets. Even like random cats are just over here. Like, look at this cat. Some of the cats are friendly and stuff. Actually, in Hong Kong, they say that you shouldn't like feed the animals. It's just ladies doing illegal stuff, but it's okay, man. I don't record it too much, but yeah. Yes. Look at the kitties. And then over here in the water, they actually have some koi fish and whatnot. It's a really nice, beautiful park. So if you want to see some greenery and stuff as well, here, let's walk around the park a little bit too. And they do have some McDonald's. What I mean by some McDonald's is they have the 2 McDonald's spots. One is if you just want to get ice cream. It's great for like family. They come get some ice cream. And it's by McDonald's too. Be cool if they had like a local Hong Kong eatery, but it's only for like, what do they have right now? 8 Hong Kong dollars for a pistachio ice cream. Which that looks pretty good, but in this channel we on a diet, so we ain't trying to get that. Here, let me just show you what they have real quick. Just in case you want to get that. If you're wondering, 8 Hong Kong dollars is just around $1 USD. A little bit more, maybe like $1.10. And then also over here. So over here is where you see the bird atrium. But we're not going to go up there because it's going to take a long time just to go up there and whatnot. But over here, let me see if we can see the flamingos. Here are the flamingos. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but right over there. All of them. There must be, if I'm just counting off my head, must be like around 100 flamingos at least. And if you ever do come to Hong Kong, I highly advise you come to this park. So I'm gonna end the video right now. This is my first impressions of Hong Kong on this channel. I hope you like it. I like showing you just around the city a little bit. Hope you have a taste of Hong Kong, and as always, if you have any questions, let me know. Just don't forget to smash the like button and comment. Let me know what you thought about the video. I'd really appreciate it. And if you have any questions and stuff, I'm glad to answer. Peace. See you on the next one.